Hey there, this is Mrs. Smith, and I'm going to show my Algebra 1A, my Algebra 1B, and my Algebra 1 what I would like you to do in class today. So the first thing I want you to do is to open your iPad to a website called mathgames.com, mathgames.com. And you're going to see something similar to this, and I've already checked on my iPad and it worked. So once you get to mathgames.com, I'm not going to have you sign in and make an account yet. But I just want you to go down, scroll down. There's practice sets. You can see they have lots of games here. They have by grade, and I want you to go clear down by math skill, and I would like you to do one called time. So I'm going to go to more skills, and I'm going to go down to the very first one, and yes, you are going to do grade 1. We're going to practice with telling time. So I would like you to work through all of grade 1's telling time. Okay, I would like you to do all of these games, and they're going to, I'll open this one up and you can kind of see what it's going to look like. It's going to ask you to tell time, and you're going to type it in. Okay, and then it'll let you know if you're right. Because when you guys sign out, a lot of you are having trouble telling time. Okay, so you're going to do that. And if you still have some difficulties, go ahead to the second grade one and do that one. Okay, and I think that possibly the very first lesson in grade 3, and then that's all you would really need to do in telling time. All right, so after you tell time, I would like you to go to do some algebra. Go to do some algebra. And you can see that it starts with grade 3, but we are further than that. And unfortunately, the furthest up it goes is grade 8. So you can go ahead and take a look at grade 8, and we are doing slopes. So that's 832 right here. We're doing one-step equations. We are doing two-step linear equations. We are doing equations with like terms, those types of things. Now, if you would rather, I can take you up through the standards. And the standards that we're looking at, we're going to go to 8th grade. And this just lists them in groups. So what we are really working on right now is functions. That is the standard. Remember, I came up here to get the standard, right up here. We did 8FA1. We would do 2, and we would do 3. Those are the little work games that I would have you do. And then you could skip clear down to 8EE, 8EEB. 8EEB6 is going to be finding the slope from an equation. And then underneath that is identities and equations with no solutions. Be careful here, because once students know there's no solution, a lot of times they think there's no solution on a lot, but usually there's only one problem on a problem set that it has actually no solution. And then next, here's our one-step linear equations, 2 steps, properties of addition, all those things that we've been doing in class, reviewing and getting ready for all of our functions. Algebra 1 could also look for some parabolas and things like that if you get done. But I think this will take you plenty of time. And it'll be good skill review, and it's in a fun way. So, for example, if I want to identify linear and nonlinear, it's asking me, select all of the nonlinear. Well, I know the thing to look for is an exponent. So I know this one's not linear. I know this one's not linear, but look at this one. It sure looks like y equals mx plus b. This one sure looks like y equals mx plus b. So let's see if we get it right. Ta-da! And it's going to let you know. Alrighty? Now, when you're on your iPads, I don't care if you sit on the floor, no feet on the walls. Be really good for your sub. I know you will, because you want that extra credit. I'm going to go ahead and put that extra credit in tonight. If you happen to be absent on Friday, I'll go back in and take it out. It won't count against you, but it won't count for you because you weren't here to get it. If I get a note that says your class was bad, I'll have to go back in and take out that extra credit. But I will add that in tonight so that everybody has the benefit of that extra credit before they pull the grades. Alrighty, you have a great day. I'm going to go to a wedding and dance with my boots. So you have a good weekend, wear your seatbelt, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.